my beautiful queens and kings out there. Oh my God, I'm so excited because I am going to show you guys how I transform myself from busted to baddie in no time, honey. Because everybody needs this in their life, honey. So I want you guys to get ready with me. Tonight, I am going to Soulful Sundays at Red's at 28 in Greenville, South Carolina. I do live in Charlotte, North Carolina. So tonight, my sister, my very own sister, you can find her at B Did My Ish. She is also a hairstylist, my hairstylist too. When I don't do my hair, she'll be performing tonight. So you guys will see clips of that as well. Yes, honey, we are winning all 2021. Even if we're not even making moves, we're not even gonna put that in the atmosphere. We're winning all 2021. So let's go. First, I'm gonna start off with my hair. I did record a video on doing my quick weave. So this is a quick weave. I'm about to let it down in a few. The reason why I have not posted it is because I absolutely
hate this hair.
So consider it a hair review as well. This is Sheer Mousse, and it comes exactly like this. It comes with like a bang, frontal, and 3 bundles. I only use 1 pack. I definitely should have used 2 because I like my hair thick. If you watch my other videos, you know I gotta give you Beyonce every time.
Wait, let me fix my hair. Yes.
Okay, but this is what it looks like. I absolutely hate it. I've only had this hair in for a week. Okay, there's a difference between cheap hair and inexpensive hair. Cheap hair and inexpensive hair, okay? Inexpensive hair will last, is not a lot of money, so it ranges, you know, from definitely less than $100. Sometimes it's human, sometimes it's a blended, but it should last you at least 2 weeks. I'm used to getting my hair done every 2 weeks, so a hairstyle should last you at least 2 weeks. This hair, I put it in, it was beautiful the first day. By the time I went to sleep and woke up, it might as well look like this. Okay, because at this point, I ain't dealing with it, okay? Okay, so this look is inspired by the 90s. It's definitely gonna be a 90s thing. Very posh, very upscale, and also ghetto at the same time. So I'm about to give y'all Bougetto 90s all in one, okay? So let's get started with the hair.
All right, now this oil sheen is just gonna make it shiny. Once I spray it far away from my head because it's cheap hair. I don't want it to be stringy, and I don't want my hair to be stringy either. If your quick weave is rising up, just pin it down. Do not glue it down to your hair to avoid any type of damage or your edges falling out or anything like that. My quick weaves it protects my hair a lot, like a lot, because I'm natural and I don't want my hair falling out. Like I said, 2021, we are keeping our edges. What I'm about to do, I'm actually about to cut it shorter than the left side. It was definitely by accident, but that's okay because the left side is actually the length that I wanted it, but I don't mind cutting it a few inches shorter because how I'm styling my hair, I'm gonna need layers anyways. I didn't want it too long in the first place, so it actually ended up coming out perfect. You're going to see later on in the video how I actually cut my hair myself, and I'm not a hairstylist. So you're just going to see how I just felt around, actually knowing what needed to be angled. Like right here, you're going to see me angle it a little bit because your front should always be shorter than the back. So just get that nice angle going. An additional mirror really plays a big part in cutting your hair from just long to short. Of course, if you're doing it yourself, you want to make sure the back looks good and it's the length that you need it to be. What you're seeing right now is me actually cutting off what needs to be cut off, and it's in the back of my hair. So just make sure you're feeling. That's like really, really important. Make sure you feel and just use all the skills that you have to accomplish the look. I promise you, it's really, really easy. So it's definitely looking better. No, it's not 100% complete, but you will see later on in the video how I evened it out. So I put my leave out away because I'm about to do some more cutting. Right here on the side, you can see where one of my tracks is actually slipping. So I'm going to take this 30-second glue, get a little tiny bit out because we want to protect our hair, remember, and just glue it back on. That's just what I do. I'm just sectioning off my swoop and actually putting it away because, again, I'm going to do some additional cutting and I don't need that part cut at all. So I'm using my Got2b glue spray. That bottle is $7.99. It's the little bottle. But I'm using it and then I'm going to brush it out to make it smooth. That Got2b glue spray, it just molds it down, like it keeps it in place. So we can give you Aaliyah vibes all day. I forgot about my leave out, so yeah, I had to turn that thing up to 450. It is a titanium flat iron, and later on throughout my videos I would definitely tell you guys what flat iron I use. Just give me until March of 2021 and I'll make sure I tell you guys. Yeah, I gotta turn that flat iron down so I won't have that Michael Jackson going on. The flames in my hair, okay? This part is so funny to me. I was just smelling so hard on Edge Booster. It's a little expensive. It's more expensive than the small one I bought. That's the one I was actually looking for in the store. But this one is the one that all the hairstylists use. I know Sweetie has a really good edge control, but this one works really, really good. So I do use that Edge Booster. Of course, it's going to be in the description below, all the products that I use to achieve this hairstyle, okay? I was not playing with this swoop, honey, okay? I told y'all in the beginning, I redid my swoop twice, okay? I had to give some type of Aaliyah, at least some type. You do not disrespect the swoop, especially if you were born in the 90s. As you know by now, I am a 90s baby, so make sure your baby hair is on point, that genuine looking good, okay? Take your hairspray, put it on the tip of your finger. If you need to curl it a little bit more, that hairspray will seal it in. It will not go anywhere for the rest of the day. I'm going to show the entire process on how I achieved the flip, the curl, because I know some people out there secretly tell me they cannot curl, which is fine. So what I did was actually put the hairspray at the bottom, then I started to curl so that curl could hold into place like that flip. So take your flat iron and continue to curl, like curl it all the way around. Kind of hold it at the bottom. Don't be afraid of the flat iron. It's not gonna burn you as long as you're touching the outside of it. Do not touch the plates on the inside. Just hold it, don't move it. Yep, and you got it right there. That's your flip.
Okay, you guys, so I absolutely love my hair. It's exactly how I wanted it to turn out. I don't think these flips are coming out because it's got to be glue spray, honey. This hairspray is like lit. So I definitely don't think it's coming out. I'm about to just spray everywhere because I just don't want my hair mixed up. I really want it to be perfect. And now I'm about to get into my makeup. I am running late. Duh. Of course I'm running late.
How I do my eyebrows, I actually just put a line under it and a line over my eyebrow. You'll see later on, I actually kind of take that bottom line and that top line and brush it in together so it could just look like hair. I'm covering my blemishes, so I was just craving some soda for like 2-3 weeks, a month. And now my skin is jacked up a little bit. It's not too bad, but whatever. This foundation is actually not my skin color, but it's matte, and I really need matte because I have oily skin. And I'm putting this on. I'm sorry, I had to take a deep breath. I'm putting this on and I'm actually gonna blend it out later so it can match my skin perfectly. So I put this much foundation on because I'm really insecure about my skin at the moment because I drank all those doggone sodas, so look out for your diet. But the good thing about it is if you have a napkin, just damp your face so it won't look like all that makeup is just caked on. That napkin, I've also seen makeup artists use baby wipes. So use those things to kind of, if you put on too much makeup, you know, just dim it down. Now, I do have lip liner, but for some reason, I just like this better. That's actually what I use to contour my face. So you guys didn't see me highlight and contour my face, but I already did it. But this right here, I just like it because it helps me shape the lips that I want to have, basically, like the little Rihanna duck lip.
Okay, you guys, so I'm almost done with my look. The secret ingredient to looking absolutely amazing is your smile. And one thing that I do when I have a really important event to go to, I take some peroxide, a capful. This is the old trick, but I only do it for events. If you do it every single day, your teeth are basically on rot, so don't do it every day. But I take some peroxide and I put it in my mouth, switch around for 30 seconds.
I adore this additional detail I added to my hair. It is a hair clip from Walmart. This outfit is actually from Diva Fashion Boutique. I got a lot of compliments on it. The glow stick I'm using is So Icy by Keisha K. Orr. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed the look. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I love to hear your feedback. Just make sure you comment, subscribe, and like for sure. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.